Yes, you've seen it from the title. We're gonna be talking about the base airdrop because we have important update and it is here. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we jump straight into the update. The first thing first is for the next Jupiter airdrop. As we see here, there are rewards which probably some of you didn't know about. You can go and check your active stacking reward, the ASR rewards, but as well as the season 2 and the season 1, which you can go and claim now, as well as the season 2. Now, the link will be down below. Make sure to go and join them because to join the Jupiter Season 2, you need to go through another link. It is no more this one, as we know. This one, the ASR kind of like stopped. Now it is like all of this one, the reward Season 2, as we see here. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and look. Make sure to go and see. It is also involving, of course, kind of like a trading decentralized platform that they have. So the link will be down below. You need to sign up. You need to start doing something, even if it is $5. You have it in Solana. I know most of you have it, so make sure to go and trade them right now over there. Next up, talking about trading, there is a new giveaway from Wix, which they are the partner of the channel. So thank you very much, Wix, for supporting the community. And as we see here, deposit $100 and get 25% or $25 for absolute free. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go and check them out. Make sure to go and do all of the things that you can do to go and get the trade. Those money that you get, you can then go and be able to open any position that you want for absolutely free. And as you see here on the screen right now, I also do trade on Wix, and this was a little bit of a crazy one. I did open a 400x leverage, so don't do it. Absolutely never do that. Don't even follow what I do. I'm no financial advisor. If you do want to be around the community, then go and follow me on Telegram. I do have a group where I share all of the calls as well as the profit and loss. But I did open it for 100x. I did lose it. Of course, that is pure absolute degeneracy. But come and do it. The link will be down below. Come and join Wix right now. Next up, we have the Espresso tokenomics has officially been announced, and here is a quick breakdown. The ticker will be the ESP. There's going to be 3.59 billion total supply and an airdrop allocation of 10%, so about 359 million tokens. Now, the eligibility and the allocation are based on pretty detailed system with 40 plus different ways to qualify for it, so it's not going to be a utilize it and that's it. But the airdrop will be fully unlocked at TG, which is nice. So let me know your allocation down below. Some of the people here are kind of happy, some are not, but let me know your thoughts down below in terms of the allocation. We also have the so value important update to go and earn the season 2 airdrop. There's 100% probability to secure the experience or not. So I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and do it. Trade, deposit, let's say $15 to $10 as we see here, and do longs, crazy longs, and just get to $20,000 in volume, and you will be eligible for the airdrop. Next up is the base airdrop, and this is what you are here for. Well, as we see here from bro.base.ethereum right here, make sure to go and connect soon. Now, this is not the CEO. This hasn't come from the CEO of the app, but as we see here, a lot of the community is behind this. So the checker could potentially happen over on the base app, which I will leave you the link down below to go and download it. And when it happens, you will see your base airdrop allocation. So make sure to, as we see here, the community is really, really behind it. It's something interesting. Let me know your thoughts down below on this one. I do think this one is correct though. The base airdrop will come very, very soon. I still think in Q1 2026, and the eligibility checker will be on the base app because you do need it. So let me know down below what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.